Hi guys. See? We are back! This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. By the way guys, if you're coming from Dubai, wala pong exchange currency ng dong sa airport. So, I advise yes guys, we said we are back because I'm back traveling with the Hamog girls. This time around, we're going to Asia again. We're going to... You just guessed where we're going. Sige na, nakita nyo naman yung title. Yes. Thank you nga pala kay Miss Jay na talagang inassist kami. Ayan, syempre bago magbiyahe guys, ito kami ganyan kami kadami. Ayan, thank you guys for helping us out. And here we go. We're going to... And by the way, ayan, skip na natin yun. We're going to the aircraft. Ayan po pala. Why I video it? Kasi isa sa mga snacks nila guys on this flight is margarita pizza. And I love it. Kaya ako naman vinidyo. Alam niyo naman palagi pag nagpa-fly kami Emirates, nakikita niyo man yung meals on board, but this is something different. O ayan guys pala, ang flight namin is about 6 hours. Yan. The flight was delayed to 2 hours kasi yung incoming flight niya is delayed. So kaya delayed rin kami ang departure and arrival namin sa Hanoi. So everything we have to adjust. Yung pick-up service namin. By the way, we did not take the sleeper bus going to Sapa. Yes guys, ayun na, na-booking na nga. We're going to Hanoi first. Then we're gonna proceed to Sapa. Medyo late na nga yung we hired a private transportation for this one. It's like a limousine from Hanoi to Sapa kasi we wanted to be comfortable naman. Kasi may mga bata kami and plus we have pregnant lady plus of course elderly me. Joking! Oh, ayan na nga kami guys. Sabi kayo, welcome! So when we landed, ayan! Hanoi! Well, immigration nila, hindi naman ganun kahaba, just like yung mga old vlogs. Baka, ito na yung season na hindi masyadong, pero marami pa ring tourists. So, this is what their arrival looks like. So, i-get mo lang yung baggage mo dyan. Kami, we check in lang yung para sa baby. We have 1 suitcase. Tapos, the rest is all hand carry na para makabilis kami makalabas. Well, after nun nga, we will look for money exchange or the ATM machine. Abe, ayan, maging milyonaryo pa. Parang may maximum siya. Ay! May maximum man. Mali. Ayan na muna. Ayun mga madam. Ganun pa. Sabi si Bruno Mars. Guys, eto pa na so freaking mad. Dito, you can be millionaire guys. Yan ang pera nila dito. So, ayun na nga guys, wala kaming nakita na recommended ng isang vlog na napanood namin na TV bag. So, we just withdraw sa BIDV, but it's quite, yung exchange rate is malaki. So, wala kaming choice because we have to carry cash here. Kasi yun ang aming pangbayad sa aming transportation. So, we're waiting outside. Nakita na namin yung aming driver or siya yung nag-head ng tour, si Mr. Dong. We're still waiting. Ayan, yung white, private limousine van yata ang tawag dyan. Well, I'm gonna put the link below sa description box kung saan namin na-book. Otherwise, guys, makikita nyo yan dito sa screen. Ayun na daw. Oh. Go, Kai! Go inside. Go inside. Well guys, yan nga po ang aming van, the private tour van na hinire namin instead na mag-sleeper bus kami. Kung dalawa lang naman kayo, I suggest na mag-sleeper bus na lang kayo kasi convenient naman doon guys, nakahiga kayo na entire journey. Kaya lang kami may mga gamit and marami naman kami, kaya nag-hire kami ng private tour. Well, thanks to our itinerary Coachello.
Sapadika! Sapadika! Sakay lang yun. Sapadika. Ano pala to ni Vice Ganda eh? Nasaan si Guy? Hi! Oh. Uy, dapat walang AC. Uy, ang lamig ha? Ang lamig ha?
Well, nandun nga rin pala ang dalawang magjowa sa harapan. Mag-asawa yan. Ayaw nila maghiwalay, diba? Well, yan. So, ilan kami? Total 9. Ayan. So, we're on our way to Safa. Safa talaga. Ayan si Dong. We call him Dong. Yun ang intindi namin ang name niya. Ayan ang issue ng aming artista van. Diba? Komportable. And it's time to sleep. Mahaba-haba ang biyahe. 6 hours. And nagutom pala kami. So, nagpadaan kami kay Dong sa isang restaurant. It was from this moment we knew we are in trouble. And eto na nangyari.
Tawag mo na siya. Tawag mo siya. Call. Dalawang kobo. Ala, niluluto na nila kaagad. Baka bukas pa yan. Mali yung ano natin. Hindi lang tayo pinapansin.
Guys, problem barrier language. Pinabili kami, nilabas niya talaga buong chicken, hilaw, buong chicken na beef, oinky, para malaman ko ano yung hari sa rice. Then finally, nagkaintindihan kami after few minutes yan, chicken fried rice. Ayan, finally, meron na kaming chicken fried rice. Tapos binigyan kami ng soup. Free soup. O, diba? Okay naman yung soup kasi pero marami siyang coriander. Kaya hindi namin masyadong type. Pero okay lang sa akin. Gusto ko may init na sabaw kasi ang lamig. So, ayan, finally, kumain na kami. Siguro, kumain kami is mga 1 hour din. So, nadagdagan yung biyahe namin ng another 1 hour. Actually, naghintay na yata si Dong sa airport sa amin kasi delayed yung flight. Well, ayan, after 1 hour, ayan pala ang aming food. Umalis na rin kami dito sa restaurant na to. Pero anyways, I think ang binayaran namin is 90,000 dong per fried rice. So, ayan, kain tayo. Finally, nagkaintindihan. So, tip number 1, Google Translate kasi hindi sila lahat nakakaintindi ng English. And again, after few hours, nag-stop over ulit si Dong dito. So, talaga parang stop over na nila dyan, nag-CR. Tapos kumain din siya syempre ng dinner. Pagod na nga siya. Gabi na to guys. Sobrang gabi na.
Hi!
Ayan.
Kamusta naman yung artista van mo? Nasaan si Kai?
Kai is here.
Oh, dance.
Patsa.
Junay. Ganda ng artista van nyo, be. Parang pang small loud, eh. Ganda, oh, my blue. Royal, ano. Ito po, guys, ang aming. Halika, artista ba? Kaya, artista ba? Doon na lang.
Wow, Kaya, even for standing, it's okay. Wow.
Ito po, oh. Ay, mga chichirya. Wala.
After few hours, we reach Sapa, guys. Hindi ganyan yan. Parang Baguio, Matarik,
Si
pero
ano?
madilim. Ito na siya, guys.
Tatlo.
Yun na nga, guys. Ayan na yung aming travel van, artista van by a reliable Vietnam travel. You just contact them and they will send you a WhatsApp. Then you communicate through the WhatsApp. Well, ayan nga, guys. Nakikita nyo na. Ang Sapa is masyadong foggy. Grabe guys, sa Matarik yan. Ang galing lang ni Dong, talagang safe and sound at saka maganda yung mga kalsada dito guys. Kaya hindi nakakatakot magbiyahe. So ayun na nga ang Sapa Station na daanan namin. Ang accommodation pala namin guys, as per the review, is walking distance sa Sun Plaza Station. Diyan, importante sa amin yan dahil dyan kami sasakay sa papuntang Fancy Fan. Well guys, also according to some reviews sa mga vlogs, we can take Grab, diba? So, this is what we're gonna do, Grab. We'll take the Grab around the city, pero sa pagmalalayo, we will take the same travel turista van because yun yung aming package from them. So, yan na po guys, ang Sapa in the evening. And review for this hotel is in the next video. Ayan po, nandito ako sa hotel room. Kanya-kanya kaming room, guys. We booked total of 4 rooms. Ayan. Good night and see you in the morning, guys, for another adventure. Bye! Yun lang. So, this is our day 1 in Vietnam. Going to Sapa. What we learned and we advise you on our first day, well, you can withdraw money from the ATM machine. We suggest not yung TP Bank. This is the bank that we suggest, Exim. We use this, walang charges dito sa amin, guys. Second, buy SIM card at the airport with an 8 or 10 GB a day. You can share it if you're in a group, o diba? Google Translate Maps will help, so download it. Number 4, download and use Grab to navigate places within the city. Lastly, book a hotel next to train or metro station, grocery, restaurant, so it will all be walking distance for you. And it will save you money also. Yun lang, guys!
And thank you guys for watching. Mwah! And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.
For you, baby.